Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can rename frames in your Figma designs. So let us get started right away. Head over to your Figma design. So let me go with this design here for the sake of this tutorial. And if I zoom in, guys, you will see this frame here with that name here, frame 1. So it will also be resembled in that list of layers here to the left. So that's the frame. And if you'd like to rename it, guys, simply double click into it here in the list of layers. It's going to select it and remove the previous name and name it like, for example, I don't know, best frame or something like that. I'm not being too creative right now, so let me use that name here. Press enter to save that name. And there you go. As you can see, if I zoom in, the name has been applied and now is being used by that frame here. You may also click into that small box here in the top left corner of your frame and that way also rename your frame. So let me name it back again, frame 1. Oops, there's a typo, of course. So press enter to confirm and that is going to rename your frame. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.